Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Disney Plus offline downloads on iPhone step by step clearly. Open the Disney Plus app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Browse through the available content. Select the movie or TV show you'd like to download. On the Contents Details page, look for the download icon. This icon typically looks like a downward arrow. Tap the download icon to begin the downloading process. Ensure you have enough storage space available on your device. Once the download is complete, go to the Download section in the app. You can find this section in the navigation menu. Tap on the Download section to view your downloaded content. Select the movie or show you want to watch offline. Enjoy your downloaded content anytime, anywhere. Remember that downloaded content may expire after a set period. Check back in the app regularly for updates or renewals. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi for faster downloads. If needed, pause or cancel downloads through the same icon. Explore additional titles to expand your offline library. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.